Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to install RStudio on your Mac operating system. You can do same process of Windows and Linux operating system also. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just type here RStudio. The first link is display here, and this is a website for RStudio. RStudio and Python contents with RStudio connected. Here products, and inside the product first options are available RStudio. I just simply click here and scroll down here. Look at this RStudio for desktop, for server, and different kinds of platforms also available. So we go with simply as a RStudio desktop, and this is a freely open source for the researchers, students and other people. So I just simply click here and look at this here RStudio open source license, RStudio for commercial license. This is a company related software, and that one is a open source freely available. This is a just only integrate tool are with and property supported. The second tool is available access and web browsers also. If you are paying 4,975 euro, so you can receive entire features of the API, launchers, admin dashboard, project sharing and so many. But for the researcher point of view, we are using as a open source freely, and the software size only 211 MB. So here several operating system options also available: Windows, Mac, Ubuntu and some different operating systems also. After finish the download, just simply click twice and simply drag and drop here, and we can see here in the launch pad the software is automatically come here. We can wait. So look at this, my RStudio is installed in my Mac operating system, and it's very simple process to install and access. Now we'll see simply access. Wait couple of seconds again. So this is a framework of RStudio. It's very simple and easy to access. Look at this here, and it's very simple to download and install of any operating system. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.